The night was dark. Stormy outside. Or. And. But. So. Answer is and. And adds two conditions describing the night. The garden is small. Beautiful. But. So. And. Or. Answer is but. But shows contrast. Despite being small, it is beautiful. He enjoys reading books, watching documentaries, and. So. Or. But. Answer is and. And connects two activities he enjoys. I will start cooking. You get home. Or. When. And. But. Answer is when. When indicates the time the cooking will begin. I will meet you. I finish my work. Or. And. When. But. Answer is when. When shows the time connection between two actions. He will text you. He lands at the airport. When. And. But. Or. Answer is when. When indicates the time he will send the message. Please bring a pen. An eraser to class. And. Or. Because. But. Answer is and. And connects two items needed for class. He did not eat breakfast. He was in a hurry. But. Or. And. Because. Answer is because. Because explains the reason for not eating breakfast. I forgot my umbrella. I got wet in the rain. And. So. Or. But. Answer is so. So shows the result or consequence of forgetting the umbrella. He cheered loudly. His team scored a goal. And. Or. When. But. Answer is when. When shows the time relationship between the cheer and the goal. She woke up early. She could catch the sunrise. So. And. But. Or. Answer is so. So shows the purpose or result of waking up early. She didn't sleep well. She had a headache. Or. Because. But. And. Answer is because. Because gives the reason for not sleeping well. She laughed. She heard the funny joke. Because. And. Or. But. Answer is because. Because explains the reason she laughed. He can play violin. Flute beautifully. Because. And. But. Or. Answer is and. And connects two instruments he plays. My sister is tall. I am short. But. And. So. Or. Answer is but. But contrasts the heights of two people. He is patient. Understanding with everyone. And. So. Or. But. Answer is and. And adds two positive personality traits. She is young. Very experienced in her field. So. Or. And. But. Answer is but. but shows contrast. Despite being young, she is experienced. He is hungry. He will eat after the meeting. Or, but, and, so. Answer is so. So shows the consequence or plan resulting from being hungry. I need sugar, flour to bake the cake. But, or, because, and. Answer is and. And connects two ingredients needed for baking. I want to rest. I have many tasks to complete. And, but, so, or. Answer is but. But shows conflict between wanting to rest and having work. I admire cats. I am allergic to their fur. And, but, so, or. Answer is but. But shows contrast between admiring cats and being allergic. She will leave. She finishes packing her bag. But, or, and, after. Answer is after. After shows the sequence. Packing happens before leaving. I will lend you my book. You return it on time. And, or, if, but. Answer is if. If shows the condition for lending the book. We can go by train. We can take a taxi. Because, and, but, or. Answer is or. Or presents two ways of traveling. You must practice daily. You want to improve. If, but, and, or. Answer is if. If shows the condition needed for improvement. Do you want to play cricket? Football today? So, or, and, but. Answer is or. Or offers a choice between two sports. I like the mountains. The beach is my favorite spot. Or, and, so, but. Answer is but. But contrasts two different preferences. The journey was long. Very enjoyable. And, so, or, but. Answer is but. But shows contrast between the length and the experience. The shirt was clean. Wrinkled. Or, but. And, so. Answer is but. But shows contrast between two opposite conditions. You can choose tea, coffee for breakfast. Because, but, or, and. Answer is or. Or offers a choice between two breakfast drinks. I enjoy hiking. I don't enjoy swimming. But, and, so, or. Answer is but. But shows contrast between two different preferences. The classroom was quiet. Peaceful. Or, but, and, so. Answer is and. And adds two similar qualities of the classroom. She can cook. She can bake very well. And, or, because, but. Answer is and. And connects two skills she has. The river is long, wide, and, so, but, or. Answer is and. And adds two descriptive qualities of the river. The lesson was clear, easy to understand. Or, so, and, but. Answer is and connects two positive qualities of the lesson. The puppy is small, very playful. So, but, or, and. Answer is and adds two qualities of the puppy. The bag was heavy. She carried it herself. So, and, but, or. Answer is but shows contrast. Despite the weight, she carried it. Hurry up. You will miss the train. So, and, or, but. Answer is or. Or shows the consequence if you don't hurry up. She practiced daily. She still made errors. Or, but, so, and. Answer is but shows an unexpected result despite regular practice. I want to visit Paris. I don't have enough savings. And, so, or, but. Answer is but shows contrast between desire and financial reality. She will get better. She takes her medicine. Or, if, and, but. Answer is if. If shows the condition required for getting better. The phone is old. It works perfectly fine. And, but, or, so. Answer is but shows contrast between the phone's age and its performance. I will keep trying. I succeed. Or, until, but, and. Answer is until. Until shows how long the trying will continue. It was sunny outside. We stayed indoors. Or, and, but, so. Answer is but shows contrast between the weather and staying inside. He speaks Hindi, English with great confidence. Or, but, and, so. Answer is and connects two languages he speaks fluently. She likes painting, drawing in her free time. But, and, or, because. Answer is and connects two activities she enjoys doing. Would you prefer juice? Water to drink? But, so, or, and. Answer is or presents a choice between two drink options. She became a nurse. She wanted to care for others. Or, but, because, and. Answer is because. Because explains the reason for choosing nursing. She is good at maths. She struggles with history. But, or, so, and. Answer is but contrasts two different abilities in different subjects. He enjoys painting, sculpting as hobbies. But, because, or, and. Answer is and connects two hobbies he enjoys.